Today is Sunday. I'm starting a new week. I always begin my day with coffee. It helps me feel calm and ready. Make my sticker planner. I like organize my idea and decorating my planner. It makes me feel calm and happy. I'm finished my sticker planner. Now I'm getting ready for my class. This is my dress. It's simple and I just got home. I want to change my clothes. I finished the book.
As per Gossip Girl's Thanksgiving tradition, I'm trading my laptop for stovetop. And for the next 16.
Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. I have a few things to do today. I need I need to write, study, attend a class, and read. Let's go make some coffee.
We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady
I've written in my journal.
who's walking around with me.
I have to get ready for class. I like to wear something comfortable and simple. Finish my class. I just get home. I have to listen after 1 hour.
I'm just uncomfortable with where my career is now.
I'm just uncomfortable with my I'm just uncomfortable. I'm just uncomfortable with where my career is now. I'm just uncomfortable with where my career is now. Yes. Yeah, I did all to the list. Okay. I've just finished writing, so I will continue reading a book. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up, and guess what? My Shein order arrived. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. Let me show what I got. Oh my god. I I really don't remember. Those coloring book. I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, so good. This for my swing machine. No. And this for my Cricut machine mat. It's so helpful. I ordered this for my Cricut machine, embroidery, swing, and ceramic clay. Friday is my favorite day. I like to go out and change my mood. I made it. I'm so proud of myself. I want to speak English with you. What? What? I want to speak English with you. What? What? بتكلم معاك English. No. Why? No. Why? ليش? You speak good. Okay. Start. Okay? Listen. Okay. What's your name? My name is Sharaf. Say. Say. My name. My name. فصوتك. My name is Sharaf. How old are you? يعني كم عمرك? 6. Okay, I'm 6 years old. I'm 6 years old. انت ليش مستحي؟ ارفع صوتك. انا ماني قادرة اسمعك. طب والله اني احبك. هق. Oh my God. Simple outing make me feel happy and relaxed. Where is my haul? I put it to lipstick and two face mask.
Jenny, why don't you volunteer? Oh, well, Blair's leaked up and... How happy you were when I didn't go. And I imagine you came all this way to change Serena's mind, but she...
Today is Saturday. I'm getting ready to hang out with my friends. I've been waiting for this day all week. I just want to relax, go out, and enjoy my time. The place was really nice. And the weather made everything feel better. Now I'm back home after a really nice day. I feel relaxed and happy after spending time with my friends. This was my week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.